If you are wondering if we have floating window mode available on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer is yes, we do. And if you want to open an app in that floating window mode or in pop-up view, you can, for example, open the app and go to the background apps, tap on these three dots above the app preview, and then over here you can find the floating window mode as long as the app supports it. And there we go. As you can see now, we can use this floating window mode quite easily. And what you can also do is you can swipe from the bottom of the screen to the upper right corner over here into this floating window section. However, to be able to do so, you have to use gestures for navigation. It doesn't work if you use buttons for navigation. Now, the third method involves the smart sidebar. If you do have a smart sidebar activated on your phone, then you can open any app just by tapping on it. So any app that you have added to the sidebar, you can probably open in the floating window mode by just simply tapping on that app. And also, if you receive a notification in the form of a banner, so if you have like a notification banner on the top of the screen, you can swipe down from that banner in order to open the app in the floating window mode. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.